Hello, here's me. I have a beauty product, or maybe I don't really consider hygiene, but anyways, if you're wondering why I have a comb here, this is a really small product and it can be very shiny with the light. So from having it focus, instead of having it just focus on this precisely, you know, like going off or glare and anything like that, I just have to. So I've used two things at once. So sorry about that. As you can see, this is called a Pixi it's from Skintreats, Pixi Skintreats, and this is a glow tonic. Basically a toner, 5% acid, aloe vera, and ginseng. Right here it tells you how it has a specific type of acid that may increase a skin's sensitivity to the sun. So definitely, I just want to point that out right away, because usually when it comes to beauty products, some people are like, oh, it has even though it doesn't have SPF, I bet it'll protect me from the sun just because it's something on my... No, just because it's a layer that you have on your face. Definitely don't just assume that, you know. Right away, I wanted to point that out. So definitely, like, be careful with, like, not putting, like, just, you know, going straight into the sun. Obviously, if it's a sunny day, go ahead and go out with it, you know. Just don't freaking sunbathe in this, or, like, take it to a beach right away, you know. Let it settle in for a while at least. This is a super, super natural product. Like I said, it may increase skin sensitivity to the sun, so even if you're not sensitive to the sun, just be careful with it, because, you know, you still don't want any, not that it like causes burns or anything, but still, you just want to be careful with like any product, because you never know how your face may react to it, especially if it's your first time just wearing it. And I know what I did with this product was, because every time I see a product that just says be careful in the sun, I honestly, the first time I use it, I just use it in the house to see if I do go out, will it be the sun, because like my skin's reacting to it, or will it just be my skin that, you know, doesn't react to it? All skin types are different, and although this is made for a dry, oily combination, this is literally has been tested and like made for all types of skin. So there's not one for dry and one for more oily skin. So I haven't looked into if they have specific products for dry and oily skin, but I just know that this is for all skin types. So definitely, with that being said, even if you just think your skin is, you know, perfect, or just a perfect combination of oily and dry, definitely still try it at home. And then if it, you know, dries you out or anything like that, then, you know, just don't use it. Or if it's good and then you wear it out and then that's when you start getting some results, bad results, I mean, then, you know, definitely just just might not be reacting well to your skin. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad product, but just with toners, you want to be really careful, because basically, like, it's gonna brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone, make it more clear, and just give you a really smooth complex. It's just like a little oil that's basically meant literally just to, I don't want to say oil, sorry about that, it's just a little toner that literally tones your skin, and it has helped me. I usually use this before applying makeup, just because I like the way it feels. You know, I'm sure from what I know of, and when I hear like any like people on YouTube or anything like that just talk about like makeup people, definitely see them using it, just it alone, and saying how they love it day-to-day basis, or just when they go out and they just want to like have, you know, nice looking skin to brighten and stuff like that, and not look so like that. It helps their skin for that. But I personally like to use it as a toner for under my makeup. I have used it without my makeup, but yeah. Now this one does look really tiny because it is 0.5 fluid ounces. This is a traveler size. They obviously have I believe they have two other sizes, one that's a little bit like bigger like that, one that's more a tall one, but most of them have the same look, you know, just longer. Probably gives the same width, I believe, from the ones I've seen. And so I've been knowing about this product for about 2 months only, and so far it has done so many good things to my skin. At the moment, of course, this is not supposed to be anything to use to, you know, like just make your skin super perfect. It, at the moment, of course, tones it, brightens it. It's just a good product to have on hand, especially the traveler size, because you never know, especially if you're not wearing makeup, I guess. You definitely want to have this on your hand, and I've found it useful. Even if I'm sweating and then I like wipe it down, and then, oh, I feel like my skin's just not looking good, I will still apply it on. It is not like it's not oily at all, in my opinion. It's just a super good product. It has honestly, the smell, it's kind of like, it's like soft and gentle, and the bottle is pink, but the liquid actually is a bit, here, let me see if I can try to take out a tiny bit. You guys will see, it's more of a clear liquid, and it is and it just has such a soft and gentle, and you guys can see right there, it is literally not greasy. It's just a bit shiny, but it is not greasy at all, and I love that about toners, because a lot of toners will literally, I feel like they just say they tone to brighten up, but it literally just makes you look like super greasy without like the perfect shine, if that makes sense. You know, sometimes you just want like a tiny bit of shine, or just a brightener that will like give bland like parts of your skin or anything like that, or different toned parts of your skin, just a different look. And this is not just like greasing it up, it's definitely a toner, and it is one of my favorite products to have on hand, especially this travel pack. It literally fits in your purse, you know, just anywhere. Like practical, you know, travel size toothpaste. Actually, it's almost the same size. You guys are probably familiar with the travel size toothpaste. So see, just kind of want to give you guys an idea how good this is to travel with, even if you don't travel a long way. But I just love this. Definitely recommend this to have it for everyday use. Just if you're just not feeling your skin, you know, have it on you, apply it, you'll feel so good. And not only that, but I feel like it just protects my skin too. Not from the sun, but just protects it from probably getting dirt and stuff like that, having that layer of brightening my tone. So definitely recommend this. Thank you for watching.